Xavier.
Oh, sorry. What's up, Bobby?
Why you say on silent? Do you want some water?
Oh, sure. I'm thirsty.
Sure.
Yeah.
This.
Oh, watermelon.
That's right.
Yo guys, come join us.
Let's go.
Hey Bobby, why did you bring whole watermelon?
Don't overthink it. It's just watermelon.
Nah, telling Xavier not to overthink is like telling a fish to climb a tree. Is that right, Captain?
It's been like this since I met him years ago.
Hey, at least I think with my head. Just always go with your heart, Hugo.
Alright, settle down. Instead of fighting over watermelons, you guys should focus on the competition next week.
What competition, manager?
This competition, the City Basketball Championships.
Ooh, CBC. I can witness him.
Don't be like that. This opportunity is the perfect chance to show that we're the best.
Yeah, as long as we have Hugo, we should win.
Guys, come practice!
Oh, come on, let's go.
Yo, let's roll one, bro.
Hey! Bro, I noticed you not focused today at practice. Are you okay, dude?
Nothing, man. Hey,
Yeah?
what if you become team's captain?
Me? The captain? I cannot even shoot right. What team would that be? Don't talk nonsense, Hugo. You're the best captain for us. After all, you're the best player we have.
Hey, don't say yourself like that. We've been playing together since we were children. I know you're good too.
That's because you're there for me, Hugo.
Yo, bro, can you put this in my bag for me?
Yo, Hugo, what is this?
Hey, you're not supposed to see that. Whoa, what's going here?
Read this. Jaggers Club. What's the meaning of this, Hugo?
Sorry, but if I'm better team.
Better team? Oh, you think you're better than us, huh?
Sorry, but it's about time I shine.
Congratulations, Xavier. I heard you become the new captain.
Yeah, I'm not exactly excited about it.
The team will be counting on you. Captain, good luck.
Still can't believe he ditched us, man.
Are you okay, Zafi? I know he's your best friend.
I just started practice, guys. All right, let's go.
Captain, what should I do?
Yo, Cap, which formation should I? Yo, what was that for, bro? Damn. Ouch! That hurts! Man, Xavier's a captain is a joke. I swear. We're open too much open him.
Man, I miss you, bro.
What do you mean by that, Bob? All of you think this way? All of you just speak to the captain. You are the one who said that I'm the closest thing we have to Hugo. The real enemy is Hugo. But you all forget that. The championship in 2 days. We're going to be competing with his new team. Let's show him how much he's making a big mistake for leaving us.
Missed.
I know, Maisha. I know.
You're still playing? It's supposed to be a rest day before the big game.
If I fail, then the others will fail.
Hugo didn't want to leave the team.
What?
Hugo left the team because his father forced him.
How would you know? You know nothing about Hugo like I do.
Look, Hugo told me that he didn't want to leave the team before any of you guys know. I'm the manager after all. He said that his father sent him to a new club.
It was really difficult for him to leave you guys.
You're lying, Maisha. I saw him with my own eyes. He betrayed us.
Whatever you say, Zafi. Good luck for tomorrow. The team depends on you.
Yeah.
Welcome to the City Basketball Championship! We welcome you, the Cameras! Competing with the Jaguars! Quarter 1 ends.
Yo, we're losing, Captain. What are you all doing? All of you have done a bad job.
Says the one who felt the free throw.
What did you say?
You felt the free throw, Captain.
What do you mean by that? Bobby can't even pass the ball properly. Alex stupidly gave the ball to rival. And you can't even dribble right. You play like a 6-year-old. How bad do you want to win, Austin?
Oh, real bad, Captain.
Then play like your life depends on it.
Quarter 2 ends.
Guys, I don't think it's the right thing to do.
What do you mean? You taught us to play with no mercy.
I know, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. But we can't keep doing this. This is why we're losing.
We lost Hugo. He betrayed us. That's why we're losing. You got what you deserve. You are too good, Captain. We have no other choice but no fault.
Hey, Zafir.
Don't talk to me.
You're captain youth become, letting your teammate fall like that.
Hey, let me remind you that you left this team. You left everything you and I built together. And that's all because you feel like you're better than all of us.
It's not true. I don't think I'm better than all of you.
Why did you tell us about this? All of these dramas, and our feeling of betrayal could all have been avoided.
I didn't want you to find out. I don't want the team to find out that I'm a coward who couldn't stand up to my father.
You could have at least told me. I'm your best friend. Do you not trust me enough?
That's the point. You're my best friend, Zafi. I couldn't bring myself to this point, the person I cherish the most. I'm a coward.
I'm a terrible friend. Who go I?
It's okay.
I don't deserve this way. You deserve this much more than me.
Game over. We welcome our winners, the Jaguars.
Sorry guys, I did the wrong thing.
Next year?
Next year.